Good morning. Early spring weather is in the forecast for this last day of February, along with wide temperature differences. So sub-zero morning lows will turn into double-digit highs in some southern provinces. Most areas, in fact, will see highs that are 3 to 5 degrees higher than season norms under partly sunny skies today. Thankfully, air quality will be normal to good nationwide, while the East Coast remains under a dry weather warning, and the Southeast is under a dry weather advisory. And as the risk of fire rises, the Korea Forest Service has released an orange alert for wildfires. And at this level, fires start easily from all causes, spread rapidly, and quickly increase in intensity. So please do take safety precautions. Expect to see a light mix of rain and snow early in the day tomorrow, which is March 1st Independence Movement Day here in Korea, while the temperature fluctuations will continue for the time being. With that, here's a look at the weather conditions around the world.